Have you ever wondered if food becomes lighter as its aroma wafts away? The idea might sound strange, but there's an intriguing science behind this question that connects chemistry and physics to our daily lives. The smell of food is caused by volatile compounds, tiny molecules that evaporate from the food and travel through the air to our noses. These compounds are what create the delicious aromas we associate with food. When these volatile molecules leave the food, they technically reduce its mass. However, the weight of these molecules is incredibly small, so small that the change is practically imperceptible. For example, consider freshly baked bread. The delicious smell comes from compounds like esters and aldehydes escaping into the air. While the bread does lose some mass, the amount is so tiny that even sensitive scales struggle to detect it. The same principle applies to all foods with strong smells, such as grilled meats or spices. The stronger the smell, the more volatile compounds are being released, but the mass lost remains negligible. Interestingly, this process is part of why food tastes better when it's fresh. The volatile compounds that create aromas also contribute to flavor, and their loss over time diminishes the food's overall sensory appeal. This concept connects to everyday scenarios like perfume bottles. A bottle of perfume gets lighter as its volatile molecules evaporate, but the weight change is almost impossible to notice without precise instruments. In extreme conditions, such as space, where molecular behavior is different, the loss of mass might be more noticeable. However, on Earth, gravity and air pressure keep the process subtle. While the mass of food does decrease slightly as its smell escapes, the effect is too small to matter in daily life. It's a fascinating reminder of the microscopic interactions constantly happening around us. So, while the aroma of food flying away does make it lighter, the change is minuscule and undetectable in practical terms. It's a perfect example of how science influences even the simplest pleasures in life.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.